Hello friends, so welcome back to the channel. So today let's see how to prepare a hydroponic nutrient solution, stock solution. And this is the Greenloop hydroponic nutrient kit that I ordered online through Amazon. And let's unbox and see what it actually contains. Yeah, so there is a measuring equipment, and then there is the hydroponic solution for solution A, and then there is the hydroponic solution for paste B. So this contents are basically, it looks like paste, and the contents of A looks like granules, and they have a couple of leaflets which contains the instruction and some other advertisement of the same company. They have like a lot of other products. So this is the instruction sheet where it explains how to prepare the stock solution as well as the diluted solution. So right now we are trying to make the stock solution. So let's open and see the bottle A first. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, it looks like granules, or looks like pellets more or less. So let's empty it into the basin. Let's empty it completely. So now we have 1 liter of RO water. It is a water with very low TDS basically. So I've taken 2 bottles of 500 ml each. So together it makes 1 liter. And let's add this water to the basin which contains the contents of bottle A. So I have emptied half liter. Now I am adding the rest of the second bottle, another 500 ml. So altogether it makes 1 liter of water with very low TDS. So I have emptied it completely. Now let's stir it properly so that the granules completely get dissolved in this water. You have to keep mixing it for some time because it should be completely dissolved. There shouldn't be any residues. So let's keep stirring and until it dissolves completely. So now I have mixed it for some time, and now it seems like it's almost or completely dissolved, I guess. Yeah, so it's completely dissolved. So now let's pour it back into the bottles. So we have completely emptied the mixed solution into the bottles. So now we have 1 liter of hydroponic nutrient solution A ready in 2 different bottles, 2 500 ml solutions each, stock solution. So now similarly we can take the hydroponic nutrient paste for B. Let's open the bottle. Let's empty it in the basin. So one more thing, before we take the solution B, we have to completely wash the basin, the mixing spoon and the other container completely with water. So this looks like a powdered form, or sometimes it looks like a paste form compared to the other one. So again we have 1 liter of RO water kept ready in two bottles of 500 ml each. We can empty the first bottle into the basin, which contains the powdered form of hydroponic mix B. The first bottle is completely emptied. So now let's take the second bottle. And add the second 500 ml to the basin. So we have 1 liter of RO water added to the hydroponic paste B. So again, just like how we did for the hydroponic solution A, we have to again do the same procedure for B. We have to stir it completely, mix it so that it completely get dissolved in the water without any solid particles left. We have to keep stirring it for some time. It actually dissolves easier than the first one. That's what I felt. So we have to keep stirring it for some time. Okay, now I feel it's almost or completely dissolved. Alright, now let's transfer it to the bottles so that we can store it. So we have taken the same bottle again and we are filling the dissolved solution, stock solution, into the bottle 1. Alright, so we have made stock solution of hydroponic solution A and B. So we have 1 liter of each solution. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much.